For this activity, you're going to be needing an expo marker, a dry erase eraser, and your iPad. You're going to set your timer for 15 minutes. You should have a baggie of cards that look something like this. They might be a different color than this. Let's zoom in and see exactly what you're going to be doing. The directions say make a 10 with 3 addends. What you're going to be doing is looking for the two numbers in the equation that add up to 10. So we have 7 plus 4 plus 3. So look at those 3 numerals and see which ones you think go together to make 10. Do you have them? Let's see if you were right. 7 and 3. So 7 and 3 make 10. So after you make your 10, then you'll say 10 ones plus, and then you have your 4. So you'll say 10 ones plus 4 ones. And you're going to be writing your equation. 10 plus 4 equals 14. So you can use your expo marker to write here, and also if you want to write the number 14 here, you could too. Don't forget, you're going to set your timer for 15 minutes and do as many cards as you can within that 15 minutes. If you finish before the time's up, no worries. Go ahead and take a picture of your work and send it to your teacher on Seesaw.